So here's that turmeric. Do you remember my last video? You see how big it got? That's one thing, you know, my goats couldn't get to. It does pretty good there. There are some leaves that look like it's getting ate up a little bit. I'll probably handle that later. When I can get myself back together right now, you know, like I said in the last two videos, I haven't mentally or emotionally been myself lately, in a couple months. I'm not gonna get into that, but at least my turmeric is still doing pretty good, you know. So I'm pretty sure there's some pretty good, decent sized turmerics in that bucket, but I ain't gonna bother. I'm gonna continue to let it thrive, continue to let it grow, continue to let it do its thing. You guys, do me a favor and give me a like, a comment, and subscribe, and throw me some advice. You know, say something kind to me. All right, thank you.